In this video, I'm going to show you how to code in Framer. So the first thing you can do is actually you can go to the Insert tab at the top left, and then from here you could go to the bottom, hover over Utility, and you could add in a code block. And of course, you can then just go ahead and drag it wherever you want here on your screen inside your website, and you can basically add some code blocks together with some code here on the right-hand side directly in here inside your website. However, if you wish to code something from scratch, for example, you could do that as well. So if I just move this and delete it, there we go. You want to go to top left and then click on this logo, and then at the bottom here it's going to say code. Hover over it and click on create code component. When you do that, you must give it a title. I'm just going to name it tutorial right now, and I'm going to click on new component, and I'm going to click on create. What this is going to do is it's going to take you inside the assets tab over here. So if you weren't able to see it previously, now you have layers and assets as well. And then in here under code, you'll be able to see when you click on that, this is basically your code here, and you can go ahead and start coding. Now on the right hand side here, you'll be able to kind of see the preview, which you can also refresh and stuff like that. But this is basically where you can do your coding, and that's how to code. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.